Acid rain drain.
Acid rain drain.
What?
You idiot.
You're such an idiot.
Dumbass. Hey guys, I'm Calix from Acid Rain Drain, and this is our very first video, and you are going to be seeing a bunch of random stuff, basically every single video, and today, this is our first video, so I'm just going to talk about what we're going to be doing, and basically, you'll see this in the other videos. So this is just kind of an example, short video, just of basically what we do in everyday life.
Oh, dang it.
You're a fucking idiot. Look at it. It's like really weird. See, it's like. Really? Don't touch me! Get away! I will shank you with a fork. Don't zoom in on me. No. It's a phone! It's you! I hate you so much.
So yeah, this is basically what we're going to be doing, and you'll probably see a lot more. Okay, so this is Jason, and this is Izzy, and then that guy is Mitchell, and basically we're Acid Rain Drain.
That's Callie.
So,
Yeah.
this is what you'll be seeing, so I hope you enjoyed it, and please, 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 comment, rate, subscribe, do all that stuff. Thank you.
Look,
See ya.
look, this is